Faith can be a lot like abstract art. I'm Brad Haynes, and here's your message in a minute. Do you like abstract art? Does it make you feel something? Does it stretch you and your limitations? Jackson Pollock said abstract art is abstract. It confronts you. The definition of abstract is existing in thought or as an idea, but not having a physical or concrete existence. This idea got me thinking about faith and how it's a lot like abstract art. Hebrews 11 says faith is being sure of what we hope for and certain of what we do not see. We have to trust that Jesus has created everything, that He is the artist, and He did it all to show us something. But to see it, we have to believe that there is something to see. That's faith. We look at life, we take it in. We have faith that He is communicating with us, and we enjoy. And that's your message in a minute.